right? We have so many students who want to present today. So in order that all of your friends get a chance, please stick to the time limit. Okay. Amma, our first presenter for the day would be Aditi. And Anantram Ayiti, please be ready after Aditi.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste everyone. I am Aditi. Today I am going to share two videos. The first video time limit is 1 minute. The second video time limit is 30 seconds. So let me start sharing the first video. Amma, can I share the screen? It's showing the host disabled participant screen share.
Sure.
So let me share the first video. So this is the end of the video. The second video, I think is this one. Ma'am, can you hear it?
Not
No.
really, Aditi.
Okay, ma'am. Now talk about my Samskriti journey and inspiration. My inspiration is to give Vidya Danam for some students. So that is my inspiration. My experience. My experience is thousands of millions of grades for Samskriti. So they have a special manner of teaching. So then we'll end this video. Bye guys. Bye. Was that nice, ma'am?
Thank you there, Aditi. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
All
ma'am.
right. Next, we will have Anantram Ayiti. Anika Ayite, please be ready.
Anand. Yes.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. My name is Anantram Ayiti. I'm studying 5th class. Today, I'm telling about my role model in the Ramayana. My role model in the Ramayana is Rama. Rama was born to Kausalya. She was the eldest wife of King Dasharatha. Rama was the eldest and favorite son of King Dasharatha. Ma'am?
Are you done, Anand?
No, ma'am, I'm still.
Yeah, we can hear you. You can go on.
Okay, ma'am. King Dasharatha couldn't live without Rama for a single day. Rama was confident and brave. Rama was brave, confident, and kind. He shows respect to all his elders. Rama's guru was Vishwamitra, and Rama was married to Sita. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand. Our next presenter for today will be Anika Aite, and her display name is Avinash Aite. And so you can unmute that, Anika Aite Amma. And the next participant, Anish Sabhnani, please be ready.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Can you see my screen? Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Not yet, Anika.
1 minute.
You want me to share screen?
It's coming. Hoist disabled
Yeah, okay.
participant.
Please try now.
Now we can see it, Anika, so you can continue.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anika. I am from Hyderabad. Today, I am going to show my role model from Ramayana. Sita Devi is my role model from Ramayana. The name Sita derived from the Sanskrit word Sita, furrow. According to Ramayana, Janaka found her while ploughing as a part of a yagna and adopted her. Sita Devi is a goddess of sacrifice, purity, courage, love, and simplicity. Sita Devi is my role model because she is generous, kind, peaceful, and always tells the truth. Devi Sita is indeed the ideal example of a woman and possesses all the good qualities that a traditional Indian woman is expected to possess. She was the ideal daughter to her parents, ideal wife to her husband Rama, and the ideal mother to her twins Love and Kush. I like goddess Sita because she is strong both mentally and physically. Devi Sita, while playing with her sisters in childhood, had unknowingly lifted the table over which the bow had been placed. This was something that no one in Mithila could do. This incident was, however, observed by Janaka Maharaja, and he decided to make a backdrop for Swayamvara because he wanted a son in law who was as strong as his daughter. Knowing about this Swayamvara, Vishwamitra Maharshi asks Rama to participate in it and takes Rama and Lakshmana to the palace of Janaka. There, Lord Rama lifts up the bow of the Shiva with his left hand, fastens the string tight, and breaks the bow in the process. Thus, Rama fulfills Janaka Maharaja's condition for the marriage and marries Sita. Sita's life was filled with trouble and turmoil like Vanavasam, Aparahanam, Agnipravesham, etc. And yet she patiently maintained her calm and dignity throughout. The values that Sita Devi adhered to and represented at every point in the course of a tough life have now been held sacred by all generations of India's past, present, and future. Jai Sri Ram.
Thank you, Anika. Next presenters will be Anish Sabnani and Saksham Sabnani presenting together. And Arjun Ariga, please be ready. I think you will also be presenting with your sister Kirtana Ariga. So please be ready.
I am Anish and my brother here is Saksham. So today we are going to say the prayer. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samak Prabha Nirvignam Kurme Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvata. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thanks.
Thank you, Anish and Saksham. Next we have Arjun Ariga. Bhavik Vishnu, please be ready next.
Is it Arjun Nair, Divya, or
No, Arjun Ariga and Kirtana.
I can't find them? What is the display name? Arjun.
Do you see Kirtana?
No, I see Arjun Nair. Can they maybe put in the chat box? Are you there, Arjun, Kirtana? Can you? What is your display name? Arjun Nair is there, and that's it. No other Arjun.
Yes, I think we then move on.
Yeah.
So can we have Bhavik present, please?
Bhavik. Okay. Yes, Bhavik.
Good morning, ma'am. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, ma'am. Namaste, Namaskara. Mahodaye, Namaskara, Mahodaye. Mama Nama Bhavikaha. Aham Chaturthi Kakshayam Patami. Today I'm going to tell Shodashopachara Puja. First, we have to pray Ganesha, Lord Ganesha. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. Then Sankalpam. Sankalpam means we should pray God that to remove that all darkness and from our mind and from the whole world. Next, you should pray your favorite God. I am praying Guru. Before each Upachara, we should say Shri Sadguru Parabrahma Shri Sadguru Parabrahmane Namaha. Dhyana Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Shakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Shri Sadguru Parabrahmane Namaha. Dhyana Shlokam Samarpayami, Avahayami Samarpayami, Simhasanam Samarpayami, Padyam Samarpayami, Arghyam Samarpayami, Achamanam Samarpayami, Astamasnanam Snanam Samarpayami, Madhuparka Snanam Samarpayami, Shuddhodara Snanam Samarpayami, Vastayugnam Samarpayami, Vignopavitam Samarpayami, Gandham Samarpayami, Tilakam Samarpayami, Sarvabharanam Samarpayami, Samasta Parimala Mantra Samarpayami, Samasta Parimala Pantra Samarpayami, Pushpam Samarpayami, Dhupam Samarpayami, Deepam Samarpayami, Naivedyam Samarpayami, Tambulam Samarpayami, Karpura Nirlarjanam Samarpayami, Mantra Pushpam Samarpayami, Atma Pradakshanam Samarpayami, Sashtanga Namaskaram Samarpayami, Om Chatrama Samarpayami. Ma'am, it's over. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Bhavik.
Okay, ma'am.
Now Kirtana is back. Divya,
Yes, Kirtana is back, and the next Challa Vedant, please be ready.
Ma'am, my sister did not is not participating. Can I tell?
All right, Arjun, please go ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Arjun. I am gonna tell Om Guru Brahma.
Arjun, can you be a little louder? We can't hear you very well.
I'm gonna tell Om Guru Brahma. Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha.
Thank you, Arjun. Next, then we have Challa Vedant and Gamini Saicharan, please be ready.
Challa Vedant.
Today I'm going to tell about Sanatana Dharma. The word Sanatana derived from the letter Dri. The letter Dri means stay united forever. The rishis and saints from many long years agreed that Yajna, Dhanam and Tapas are the three pillars of Sanatana Dharma. As such as it cannot be destroyed by any weapon. Now, Dharma means duty towards society. The three pillars of Sanatana Dharma, which are Yajna, Dhanam and Tapas, which is followed by the Hindus. Such as the Sanatana Dharma is also followed by the Hindus. And it is also known as Hinduism. The Sanatana Dharma is also known as Hinduism. I wish everyone and even myself will follow the Sanatana Dharma. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedant. Next, we have Saicharan and Gautam Krishna Reddy, please be ready.
Saicharan, S-A-I. See his name. Charan, I think. Is it Charan?
Yes, Charan.
Yes.
Ma'am, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, ma'am. My name is Charan. I am 5th class. Now I'm gonna tell you about Ganesha's bhajan. Mangala Charana Gajana Gajavadana Ubanana Mangala Charana Gajana Gajavadana Shubhanana Vidyadayaka Buddhipradayaka Gauri Tanaya Gajanana Vidyadayaka Buddhipradayaka Gauri Tanaya Gajanana Mangalacharana Gajanana Gajavana Shubhana Mushika Vahana Modakasta Vigna Vinashaka Gajanana Mushika Vahana Modakasta Vigna Vinashaka Gajanana Mangalacharana Gajanana Gajavadana Shubhana. Ma'am,
Are you
it's
done,
over.
Charan? All right. Thank you so much, Charan.
Ma'am, the bhajana. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. There's a bit of a network lag from your side, so we heard late that you were done. Thank you, Charan. Next, we have Gautam Krishna Reddy. Daksh, Govind Daksh, please be ready.
Yes, ma'am. Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. My role model from Ramayana is Lord Hanuman. He is my role model because he is very humble, though his strength is enormous. He's a person who knows how, what, and when one should speak. He never spoke falsely to please anyone. He always spoke truth, but without hurting his beloved people. He is put in such a way that Janaki Man could trust him as the emissary sent by Lord Rama. He never felt fear to speak the harsh truth about the consequences that would fall upon Ravan and his men unless he returns Sita Ma to Lord Rama and seeks his pardon. He is a great diplomat who did not hesitate to remind Sugriva of his duty to search for Sita Ma when Sugriva was immersed in enjoyment after becoming king. Therefore, I love all and always follow Lord Hanuman. Thank you.
Thank you, Gautam. Next, we have Daksh, Govind Daksh. And the next participant after Daksh would be Jay Pawar. Please be ready.
Okay, Govind, nothing is coming up.
Daksh.
One second. Govind, nothing. Daksh, DAK, nothing.
Okay, then we move on
To
to Jay Pawar.
Jay. Yes, Jay Pawar.
And then Kabir Srivastava, please be ready.
Hello. Ma'am, can you
Yes,
hear me?
Jay. Yes, Jay, we can hear you.
Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Today I am going to tell devotional songs. We will start from Vakratunda Mahakaya. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. We are going to next tell a bhajan of Radha and Krishna. Radhe 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 Govinda Radhe Govinda Vrindavana Chanda Anathanatha Dina Bandhu Radhe Govinda Radhe Govinda Nanda Kumara Navnita Chora Radhe Govinda Vrindavana Chanda Anathanatha Dina Bandhu Radhe Govinda. Next is Twameva Mata Cha Pitta Twameva Bandhushya Sakha Twameva Vidya Dravinam Twameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Next, Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukmeva Bandhanam Mrityurmukshiham. The last, Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you.
Thank you, Jay. Next, we have Kabir, I think together with Sunaina. And after that, Mahati and Maitreyi, please be ready.
Should we start, ma'am?
Yes, Sunaina, we hear you loud and clear.
Okay. Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha.
Namaste everybody. Me and Kabir are going to sing a very famous Krishna bhajan. Achyutam Keshavam. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram. Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham. रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम. कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं. मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम. रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं. बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम. रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम. रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम. कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं. माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम. रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम. कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं. गोपियों के तरह तुम नचाते नहीं, गोपियों के तरह तुम नचाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम. रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम. रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kabir and Sunaina. Next, we have Mahati and Maitreyi, followed by Guru. Malayati Guru Ishan, so M, so followed by Guru. Yes. Mahati and Maitreyi, are you ready?
Can you hear clearly?
Yes, we can.
So today we're going to sing Meenakshi Pancharatnam, composed by Adi Shankaracharya on the goddess Madurai Meenakshi. Udyadbanu sahasra koti sadrusham केयूरहारोज्ज्वलां बिम्बोष्टीं स्मितदन्तपङ्क्तिरुचिरां कीताम्बरालङ्कृतां विष्णुब्रह्मसुरेन्द्रसेवितपदां तत्त्वस्वरूपां शिवां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारानिधिं मुक्ताहारलसत्किरीटरुचिरां पूर्णेन्दुवक्त्रप्रभां शिञ्जन्नूपुरकिङ्किणी मणिधरां पद्मप्रभाभासुरां सर्वाभीष्टफलप्रदां गिरिसुतां वाणीरमासेवितां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारानिधिं श्रीविद्यां शिववामभागनिलयां ह्रीङ्कारमन्त्रोज्ज्वलां श्रीचक्राङ्कितबिन्दुमध्यवसतीं श्रीमत्सभानायकीं श्रीमत्षण्मुखविघ्नराजजननीं श्रीमज्जगन्मोहिनीं मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारानिधिं श्रीमत्सुन्दरनायकीं भयहरां ज्ञानप्रदां निर्मलां श्यामाभां कमलासनाचितपदां नारायणस्यानुजां वीणावेणुमृदङ्गवाद्यरसिकां नानाविधाडम्बिकां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारानिधिं नानायोगि मुनीन्द्र हृद्य वसतीं नानार्थ सिद्धि प्रदां नाना पुष्प विराजितांग्रियुगलां नारायणेनार्चितां नाद ब्रह्ममयीं परात्परतरां नानार्थतत्त्वात्मिकां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारान्निधिम्. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Maitreyi and Mahati. Next, we have Guru, and the next participant after that would be Ujjwal. MV Ujjwal, please be ready.
Ma'am? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Guru, very well, loud and clear. Please start.
Om Gurubhyo Namaha. I am going to sing Raghavendra Shlokam. Pujaya Raghavendraya Satyadharma Vrataya Cha Bhajatam Kalpa Vrukshaya Samatam Kamadhenuve. This shloka means I worship to Sri Raghavendra, who is the protector of Satya and Dharma. I salute to Sri Raghavendra, who is like a Kalpa Vruksha. I bow to Sri Raghavendra, who is Kamadhenu. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Guru. Next, we have Ujjwal, followed by Nitika Aula. Please be ready, Nitika.
Oh, Divya, any other name for Ujjwal? I'm not able to find.
MV Ujjwal.
Can't find him. No, not under U, not under M.
All right, then we move on. Nitika Aula, please be ready.
Nitika.
And after Nitika, we will have Nrisimha Karthik Lanka.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes,
Om
Nitika, we
Shri
can hear
Gurubhyo
you.
Namaha. My name is Nitika. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Nitika. Today I am going to tell a story about Adi Sankaracharya. One day Adi Sankaracharya was walking. He came to a poor woman's hut. Then he said, I am very hungry. Can you please give me something to eat? The poor woman went and looked inside her house. On her table, she found one gooseberry. Then she said, I have nothing else to give. I will give this to Shankaracharya. She went and she gave it to him. Then Adi Shankaracharya, he recited the goddess Lakshmi, and instantly it was raining golden gooseberry. Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you, Nitika. Next, we have Karthik Lanka, followed by Samvedya. Samvedya, please be ready. Karthik Lanka next.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi, my name is Nrisimha Karthik Lanka. I am today saying Ganesha Bhajan. Ganesha Saranam Saranu Ganesha Saranam Saranam Saranu Ganesha Gajamukha Varada Saranu Ganesha Vigna Vinayaka Saranu Ganesha Mushika Vahana Saranu Ganesha Siddhi Vinayaka Saranu Ganesha Sarva Vibhushana Saranu Ganesha Ganesha Saranam Saranu Ganesha Saranam Saranam Saranu Ganesha Parvati Putra Saranu Ganesha Sahasra
ಸೋದರ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಮೋದಕ ಹಸ್ತ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಭಕ್ತವತ್ಸಲ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಗಣಪತಿ ದೇವ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಗಣೇಶ ಶರಣಂ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಶರಣಂ ಶರಣಂ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಗೌರಿ ಪುತ್ರ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ವಿನುತ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಬುದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಮುನಿಜನ ವಂದಿತ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಶಮುಖ ಸೋದರ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಸೋದರ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಪಾಪ ಸಂಹಾರ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಗಣೇಶ ಶರಣಂ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಶರಣಂ ಶರಣಂ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಸಹೋದರ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಮೋಹನ ರೂಪ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಪ್ರೇಮ ಪೂಜಿತ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಮುರುಗನ ಸೋದರ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಶಂಭು ಕುಮಾರ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಗಣೇಶ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ, ಶರಣಂ ಶರಣಂ ಶರಣು ಗಣೇಶ. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Karthik. Next, we have Samvedya, and after that, we will have Ujjwal, who is back on the line. So, Samvedya and then Ujjwal, please be ready.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, good afternoon, teachers and friends. Today I am going to tell about the birth of Lord Rama. Ayodhya was a place on bank of Sarayu in Kosala country. The people lived a happy life and were ruled by wonderful king called Dasaratha. King Dasaratha has 3 wives, Kausalya, Sumitra, and Kaikeyi. Kausalya was the eldest man, but King Dasaratha was unhappy man because he had no children. Unable to see the king being sad, the gurus told him to do yagna and pray for children. He performed the yagna and Agni, the fire god, pleased him puja, hand over a cup with payasam, and asked King Dasaratha to distribute it to wives. King Dasaratha distributed payasam, wherein he gave half to Kausalya and remaining to Sumitra and Kaikeyi. Day after, the 3 queens gave birth to 4 sons, Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana, and Shatrughna. Dasaratha loved all his sons, and Rama was the dearest. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Samvedya. Next, can we have Ujjwal? And after Ujjwal, we'll have Pranvi. Pranvi, please be ready. Now we'll have Ujjwal. Amma MV Ujjwal.
Yeah, Ujjwal is already unmuted. Ujjwal, can you say something?
Yes, you're unmuted, Ujjwal. You can talk.
Can you see him?
I can see him, but
Yeah, now.
Yes, now we hear you.
Ma'am? Is I audible?
Yes, we hear you, Ujjwal.
No. No, say loudly.
Ma'am, once upon a time, there used to live a young lady. Every day, she used to give some food to a Guruji who lives in a forest. She every day she thought that serving Guruji is like serving to Lord. One day, when she came to the river, the boatman wasn't there, so she waited for him to come. She waited for a long time, but at any cost, she had to give the food to Guruji. She prayed to God and stepped on the river, and she was able to walk on the river. She walked through the river and came to Guruji, and then Guruji asked, "Why are you late today?" She said, "The boatman wasn't there on the river, so I prayed to God and walked through the river and came." Guruji says, "Don't make jokes." Then
Loudly.
she says, "No, Guruji, I'm serious. If I can show you, let's go to the river." So they go to the river and she prays to the Lord and walks through the river. Guruji gets shocked and he thinks, right now a new I'm wearing a new dress. If I fall into the river, it will all get spoiled. So he then steps on the river. Then he falls into the river. The moral of the story is pray to the God who you like with love and affection.
Faith on them. Keep faith on them.
And keep faith on them.
Thank you so much, Ujjwal.
You're welcome.
Next, we have Pranvi, followed by Rhythm Upadhyay. Rhythm, please be ready next. Now we have Pranvi.
Tanvi, you're unmuted.
Hear me? Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Pranvi Sapseti. I am 7 years old. I am going to recite 3 of my favorite shlokas. Ganapati Mantra, Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprabha, Nirvignyam Kurume Deva, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvadha. Gayatri Mantra, Om Bhuvah Swaha Tasvarvitu Varenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Om Mrityunjaya Mantram, Om Trayambakam Yajamahe, Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam, Urvarukam Iva Vandanam, Mrityur Mukshya Amrutat, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Dev Namaha. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Nityoma Amrutan Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you. Om.
Thank you, Pranvi. Next, we have Rhythm Upadhyay, followed by Ritvik Krishna K. Ritvik, please be ready.
I want to share screen.
Share screen. 1 minute. Yes.
Just a minute. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
My name is Rhythm. I'm going to tell you the values I have learned from Ramayana. So the first thing is that you need to make out of the situation you are in. Like, coronavirus is right now there, and that's why we cannot go outside to play. I play with my small sister and continuously explore and learn new things. That's what Ram and Sita also did that time. The next thing is that everything that glitters is not gold. What I mean is that Sita was attracted to the deer. Before, I was also attracted to mobile games, and now I know I should not play a lot of mobile games. The next thing is that when Hanuman reached Lanka, when I read the story of Hanuman, then I remember the story of the hare and the tortoise. Hanuman did not do the thing which the hare did, which is sleep in midway. He did what the tortoise did. He did not celebrate that I was able to go past the hare. Next thing is that you should always avoid bad companies. Like, I'll give you an example. If your friends are like to play games, and then you start to talk with them, then we are going to tell that let's play video games. Then you will be attracted to it, and then you will learn bad things. The last thing is that you should always I should always be like Rama, brave, loving, respectful, kind, truthful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rhythm.
Welcome.
Next, we have Ritvik Krishna, and after that, we will have Rishi Nagkandur. Please be ready, Rishi.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I'm going to say a short story. 1 second. 1 second, ma'am.
You want to share screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, go ahead.
Ritvik is muted again, Amma.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, somebody else is started. I'm going to tell a story of Godavari. I'm going to tell a story of Godavari River. The sage Gautama is engaged in tapasya, deep meditation, on the Brahmagiri mountains, where there is a 100-year drought in the area, and thus crops can't grow. So, for the welfare of others, he starts engaging in the tapasya to Varuna, the ocean god. So, Varuna tells Gautama to dig a ditch, and Varuna fills it with divine waters and says there would be perennial water supply. So Gautama and other sages in the area come to the new water body and started planting crops. Gautama's wife Ahalya goes to the body of the water and collects water before anyone else. The other sages are furious and at the pity incident, so to get revenge, they prayed to Ganesha, who appears before them. So Ganesha approaches the sage Gautama, taking the form of a feeble cow and starts eating the Gautama's crops. To shoo the cow away, Gautama throws some blades of grass at it, but as soon as the grass touches the cow, he sees it fall dead. Brahmagiri Mountain and the Narmada River. Gautama is shocked that he is committed Guhatyaha, a supreme sin in the Hindu religion. So he takes his wife and leaves the hermitage in order to undertake the other course represent that involves circumambulating the Brahmagiri mountain, going around confessing his sins to everyone, encountering and making lingams to worship Shiva. Shiva appears before him, and Gautama asks to make made sinless. Shiva laughs and says Gautama hasn't committed any sins, and that Gautama is such a great sage that even looking at him makes other people sinless. Gautama uses that essence to summon the god Ganga. Shiva asks Ganga to stay. Ganga states that she will only agree to stay if Shiva also stays there. So, Shiva manifests himself as Trimbakeshwara, meaning the three-eyed lord, one of the 12 Jyotirlingams, lingas that are after Shiva manifests as a pillar of light. Gautami or Godavari. So, Ganga agrees to stay there as a new river, initially called Gautami river, but now known as the Godavari river. Gautama and his disciples bathed there to purify themselves of the Ganga, initially reluctant to purify these men who had been so cruel to Gautama. But then Gautama convinces her to relent, and he digs a ditch to emerge from and purify the stage of their sin. This ditch is a famous Kushavarta Tirtha at the Trimbakeshwara temple. Moral: every action of the god has a higher purpose. Thank you. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Thank you, Ritvik Krishna. Next, we have Rishi Nagkandur, followed by Sahasra. Sahasra, please be ready.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to tell you all about my role model from Ramayana. I like Lord Hanuman because he can fly. He saves people when they are in need. He has the power to become a big and small whenever he wants. He has so much strength that he can carry a big mountain. He is a devotee of Lord Rama. This is the reason why I would like to be Lord Hanuman. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishi. Next, we have Sahasra, followed by Skanda. Please be ready.
Sahasra, unmute. He is not able to unmute. Not able to unmute. So shall we go to the next one?
Okay. Next one would be Skanda Srinivas, followed by Shravani Lanka.
Skanda, what is the display name?
Skanda, I think he has it all with spaces, so you'll have to probably S space K.
Skanda, there I am. Yes, Skanda.
Skanda, can you start? We can hear you.
Wait a minute. I'm just.
You want
Do you want to share screen?
Yes, he needs to. Can you see?
Yeah. Yes, we can see Skanda. You can start.
My name is Skanda. Today I'm going to talk about the Shubhashritam Buddhir Balam. Turning 8, my name is Skanda. Turning 8 years this November, studying in the Shubhraha, Bangalore, entering 3rd grade. Love yoga and stories in this class. Buddhir Balam. Buddhir Balam Yashodhairyam Nirbhayatam Rohatam Ajatyam Vakutantam Cha Hanumat Smaranat Bhavet. Meaning, I pray to Lord Hanuman to bless me with buddhi, intelligence, balam, strength, yashas, fame, dhairyam, patience, nirbhayatam, fearlessness, arohatam, health free from diseases, ajatyam, energy free from laziness, vakutatvam, beautiful speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Skanda. Next, we have Shravani. And after that, if Sahasra is back, we can have Sahasra.
Yes, Shravani first.
Sravani.
Yes, she's unmuted.
Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Shravani Lanka. I am studying in 5th grade. Today I am going to say some good habits in Ravana. In the Ramayana, Ravana is described to the eldest son of sage Vishrava and Rakshashi Kaikeshi. All through Ravana suffered Lanka. He had been a benevolent and effective ruler. Ravana is remembered as demon king with 10 heads and 20 hands, also called Dashamukha. Ravana kidnapped Sita, whom Rama defeated and killed in a battle at Lanka. Ravana is considered to be the most revered devotee of Shiva. Ravana was a great magician who designed his own string instrument called Ravana Veena. He also invented the bow of the violin. He also narrated very first ragas. He composed the Shiva Tandav, most valuable work on praise of Lord Shiva. Thank you.
Thank you, Shravani. Next, we have Sahasra, followed by Shri Prada Sriram. Shri Prada, please be ready after Sahasra.
Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello everyone, my name is Sahasra and I will be singing the slokam Guru Brahma. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Thank you.
Thank you, Sahasra. Next, we have Shri Prada Sriram, followed by Shrivalli. Shrivalli, please be ready.
Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today I am going to say a story of an incident that happened with about Adi Shankaracharya. Adi Shankaracharya had 4 students. One of them, his name was Totaka. Totaka would not study and do something else. Examples, wash Shankaracharya's clothes, presses his feet, gets flowers for the puja, etc. One day, the 3 students came, but Totaka did not come. Shankaracharya waited and waited. The 3 students glanced at each other and saw a pillar. They thought that the pillar and Totaka were the same. Shankaracharya was observing all of this and shouted for Totaka. Totaka came running with a lotus in his hand. He offered the flowers to Shankaracharya. While he was coming, he was reciting something. The other 3 students were shocked because that shloka wasn't taught by anyone. That shloka was in praise of Guru. The 3 students bowed in front of Totaka and asked for forgiveness. The shloka name was named after Totaka as Totakashtakam. Now I am going to recite a small shloka to get the blessings of Guru. Sada Shiva Samarambam Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam Shruti Smriti Purananam Alayam Karunalayam Namami Bhagavat Padam Shankaram Loka Shankaram Shankaram Shankaracharya Keshavam Patarayana Sutra Bhashya Krito Vande Bhagavanto Puna Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vipagine Vyamavatyapta Dehaya Dakshina Murte Namaha. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sripada. Now we have Srivalli, who is then followed by Suviti. Suviti, please be ready.
Ma'am, Amma, if you don't mind, can you remove that host to share the screen? Because I have to share the screen.
You have to disable annotation, otherwise people will scribble.
Virat, can you please stop sharing?
Please, Virat.
I'll start again, Srivalli. Okay. 1 second.
I cannot share my screen also even.
Okay, 1 minute.
Pranvi, please.
So nobody should share screen except Srivalli. I'm giving Srivalli share permission. Yes, Srivalli.
Ma'am, then share the screen. What is happening? I'm not understanding.
So what to do, Divya?
Srivalli has to be fast enough. Pranvi, please. Can you stop sharing, Pranvi? You've had your turn. Please let others have their turn.
Okay, Srivalli, are you ready to share?
No, Mommy, I can share my screen.
No, I'm going to give you permission. You be fast enough, okay? Okay, start.
What is he playing? What is
Oh, there. Finally, we are seeing Shrivali's screen. You can start, Shrivali.
Hari Om Namaha. Yes. Hari Om Namaha. My name is Shrivali. So I'm singing 4 slokas. So this is on waking up. Kara agre vasate Lakshmi, Kara madhye Saraswati, Karamule tu Govindaha, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Now this one. Before stepping on the ground, Samudra Vasani Devi, Parvata Santana Mandale, Vishnu Pantini Namastubhyam, Padasparsham, Shimaswami. And this is when before combining studies. Vakkatunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprabha, Nirvigram Kuruve Deva, Sarvakayeshu Sarvata. And ma'am, this is Saraswati, grace of Saraswati Devi. Saraswati Namastubhyam, Varade Kamarupini, Vidyarambam Karishyami, Siddhi Bhavatu Me Sada. Thank you.
Thank you, Shrivali. Next, we have Suviti, followed by Unnati.
Suriti, yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Suviti. I will recite the shloka number 3 and 4. Yada yada yadharmasya glanirabhavati bharata abhyathanam adharmasya tadatmanam suvyamyaham paritranaya sadhuna vinachaya chidushkrita sam. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, go on.
Sambhavami yuge yuge. Thank you.
Thank you, Suviti. Next, we have Unnati, followed by Virat.
My name is Unnati and today I'm going to sing Achyutam Keshavam song. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram, Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram, Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham, Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham. कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, बैर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बैर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, गोपियों के तरह तुम नचाते नहीं, गोपियों के तरह नचाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। Thank you.
Thank you, Unnati. Next we have Virat, followed by Vishruta Vijay. Please be ready, Vishruta.
Ma'am, I would like to share my screen.
Yes, Virat. One moment.
Ma'am, someone else started sharing.
Okay. You have to be quick. Again, let's try. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, yes, ma'am. I'm ready. Did you available?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
No. Okay, once again. Okay, everybody, please watch Virat. Only Virat will share now.
Where is my thingy?
Is that true, Virat?
Ma'am, I'm just opening up my thing.
Adyan, we can see you in a red top. Please. Yeah, now I want to see both your hands, Adyan.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sharing my screen. Yes, ma'am. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
How? I'm just trying to get it out. Okay, fine. I don't know how to. Okay, so I'm out.
Can you disable the annotations?
Okay. Okay, so right, my role model is Lord Hanuman from Ramayana, and my name is Virat. And first, I'm going to be starting out with one of the prayers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Saksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. And I also thank all my teachers of my Vedic camp for teaching me new things. Somini Amma, Divya ma'am, Usha ma'am, Jayashri ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, and Rajeshwari ma'am. And these are few of the qualities of Lord Hanuman which we can implement in our daily life, and it would be better if we can implement all the things in our daily life. Like the first 5 are I'm going to be talking about today is strength, loyalty, never give up, good listeners, and selfless devotion. And why is that not working?
Dhyan is kind of messing up with you.
No, but how? I'm not able to go to the next.
I know that is because Adyan is trying to do something.
So now I went to strength. As we all know, Hanuman crossed into from the ocean into Lanka to get into from the ocean to get to into Lanka, and then so if you want to be successful, have faith in your capabilities and be brave to take decisions all by yourself. Yeah, manually you can go down to your slide and.
Okay, wait. Okay, more is out. Okay, click anywhere.
Okay, so as we all know, Hanuman also helped Lord Rama with everything in loyalty in every possible way. Hence, it is essential that in every relationship we stay loyal, honest, and supportive. Relationships like our teachers, our parents, our grandparents, and even our friends, brothers, sisters, etc. And Hanuman never gave up. He never shied away from responsibilities, took charge, and fulfilled all his commitments. Like he said that he will try to find Mata Sita, and he did. And Hanuman was a very great listener, and he had selfless devotion to Lord Rama, Mata Sita, and Lord Lakshman. Thank you, by Virat.
Thank you, Virat. Next, we have Vishruta, followed by Yuvan Nair. Vishruta, are you ready?
Not allowing. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Vishruta. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Vishruta and today I am going to recite a sloka Karadarshana. We have to recite this sloka early in the morning as soon as we get up and looking at our both palms. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule tu Govindaha, Prabhate Karadarshanam. The meaning of the sloka is, at the tip of my fingers resides Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. At the center of my palm resides Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of learning and knowledge. At the base of my palm resides Lord Govinda, who is the protector of all beings. When we visualize them in our palms, our hands become divine. So whatever we do with our hands becomes divine throughout the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishruta. Next, we have Yuvan Nair, followed by Mithil. Mithil and Vaishnavi, I don't know which one of you want to present because I don't have your names before. So maybe you want to present together. So you will be the last ones for today with Mithil and Vaishnavi or Mithil. So Yuvan Nair now.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today I am going to chant the third and fourth shloka of Bhagavad Gita. The third shloka. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir-bhavati bharata abhyuddhanam-dharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. The meaning is, if there is a decline in righteousness and an increase in sinfulness, I shall manifest myself on earth. Krishna says to Arjuna. The fourth shloka. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Meaning, to protect the righteousness and to destroy the wicked and to re-establish the principles of dharma. I appear on earth age after age. Krishna's words to Arjuna. Thank you.
Thank you, Yuvan. Next, we have Mithil.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I tell a story?
Yes, Mithil.
Okay, ma'am. This story is all about Hanuman, my role model. He's very courageous and brave. So I think most of you know the story. One morning, when small Hanuman looked at the sun, he thought it was a ripe orange, and he flew at it. And when Lord Shiva noticed this, he went and intervened and resuscitated Hanuman, which in turn proved Vayu to return the living beings. I'm done. Ma'am? I'm done.
All right. Thank you so much, Mithil.
That's it.
Amma, that was our last participant for the day.
Okay. So, thank you, everybody. One second, let me just put it up. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Perfect timing, it's just past 1. So everybody has, the juniors, you've all done wonderful presentations and all of us enjoyed it so much. Your PPTs, your songs, your shloka recitation, your stories, and it was like a flashback for us on the last few days, where we learned everything. And I'm so happy to see that most of you have Hanumanji as your role model. For me also, because he is the hero. He is the first Superman of the world. Our own Hanumanji, born in our own Samskriti. So thank you everybody for our guests also and other people for patiently hearing. And who would not listen to, you're all like little Devatas and Devis for me, really. I could see the light shining through your eyes and heart and words and mind. So keep it up. And it's wonderful to see how you've implemented what you've learned, what our team members have taught you. You have brought it out and expressed it so wonderfully. Thank you. So for one more thing is there, I would like to talk about the quiz. So we had 2 quizzes, right? Juniors and seniors. And Niharika ma'am has given me the scores. And all of you have done very well. You attempted, the whole time you were calm and you followed all the instructions, very nice. But I will just say, just a few top scores we will listen, okay? So the juniors, guess who got 50 out of 50? Rhythm. Rhythm is also the one who showed us the PPT on the values learned in Ramayana, isn't it? All the PPTs are good, but I remember this one. And then Vishrita follows with a 49, who just spoke towards the end. And then we have a few 48s, Jai, Pawar, Ritvik, Mahati, Shravani, Aditya is very close to 47. All well done. And I'm sure you could see your own score also. Yeah. And the seniors, how did the seniors do? They also did well. And there is somebody called Vimalesh who got 50. Who is Vimalesh? Is it Poshika? Can you write in the chat box? Maybe. Okay. So somebody called Vimalesh, display name, maybe Poshika Gmail was there, got 50 out of 50, followed closely by Akhilesh. Akhilesh, I don't know where you missed the 1 mark. Maybe it was the solar dynasty of Sri Rama. The Ikshvaku answer. Okay, never mind. And then Maitri, also very close, 47. Okay. So thank you again, children, for, sharing all what you've done today. And now you can have your lunch and take rest. And let us do a very short and quick Arati. We've been doing every day, right? So if you want to do Arati, you also get ready. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव। Let us all do a namaskaras. Okay, so I hope a nice lunch is awaiting you all. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namo Namaha. Goodbye. See you tomorrow on the last day. Nobody should miss. Everybody come on time.